as he works towards lowering the cost of cement in his country so as to accelerate development in the construction sector. The Burkinabe President Captain Ibrahim Traore launched on the Thursday of August 8, 2024 a calcined clay production factory, which will supply Burkina cement manufacturers with this key ingredient, whose little supply in the country had been one of the contributors to the high cement prices in the country. The project under which the factory lies, and which is a project by a Moroccan investor running a multinational consortium called CIMAF Group, will also include a mega solar park, which will actually generate electricity to power the factory at 100%, and return the excess power to the national grid, which is operated by SONABEL, the nation's electricity supplier. And while launching the project, which will create 350 jobs directly and all which will be Burkina citizens, Captain Ibrahim Traore appreciated the foreign investors who had ignored the negative propaganda about Burkina and in turn sought to invest their billions in the country. That he stands for Burkina raw materials being processed on site, and it's worth it to appreciate the people who are willing to invest in the country, so that they may process their minerals on site and sell end products instead of leaving the minerals to greedy multinationals that only seek to export them to their preferred countries for processing. He therefore invited other foreign investors out there who would wish to be a part of the Burkina revolution that he's leading, to ignore the negative propaganda and trust their money with the land of the honest and upright people. And he had this to say in a media briefing shortly after launching the project. This initiative is the perfect illustration of our industrialization policy. It is about taking the raw material under our soil, transforming it here in the calcination unit, and I would say into a secondary material which will now end up in the cement plant, then into a finished product, which will be consumed here in Burkina. So that's all we want, that our raw materials can be transformed on site. There will be a lot of jobs that will be created both in terms of the solar park operations, and in terms of the calcination plant here, as well as in terms of the cement plant. And I think that the solar unit that goes with it should make it possible to lower production costs, and we hope that in a few years, this technology that will become popular will make it possible to reduce the costs of cement. That's what we hope for. So it's a strong signal. We encourage them, and we encourage all investors to invest in this direction, in the transformation of our raw materials, and to invite foreign investors who still doubt Burkina's capabilities. Burkina is an investment boon, and all the facilities are in place to be able to support them. It's to be noted that the overall cost of carrying out this ambitious project is estimated at more than 33 billion CFA francs, or rather $55 million, and once completed, the investment will increase state revenues by 9 billion CFA francs, or rather $15 million annually.